Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these tempered glass screen protectors. These are for the GoPro Hero 9 and the GoPro Hero 10. Alright, so right here we have these glass screen protectors. These are for the GoPro Hero 9 and 10. So these are oleophobic, waterproof. They have a coating on it for the surface to protect them from fingerprints, water, scratches, dust, and oil. So in here you get a bunch of wipes. You've got your wet wipes and your dry wipes in order to install these. These are 9 grade hard for scratch level. You get a 2-piece front. You get 2-piece lens. You also get 2-piece for the back main screen. These are 0.3 millimeters, slim glass touch sensitivity of flexibility. They are bubble free, so they fast bonding, no bubbles, easy to install. These are 2.5D arc edge, comfortable to touch, no wiping on the edge. So these are what they look like. They're really super thin and lightweight. They're anti-scratch, the high dense 9H hardness glass protectors for the screen from getting scratched. It has an enhanced protection, effectively resists scratches, impact drops, scrapes, and bumps. So also in the box, these are the back ones. These fit on the back of the display of the GoPro Heroes. So you get the lens, you get the little mini screen in the front, you get the back screen. These are high definition, and then you get these little sticky papers to help clean off when you're ready to install. And it tells you how to install these. So these are no bubbles, no scratches, no hassle. These are easy to install. And what I'm going to do is put this aside and I'm going to install this. So it's clear and sensitive. They're anti-reflective tempered glass. So here's the back one. So you get 2 for each screen. So these are 0.3 millimeter thickness, brings you crystal clear viewing and maintains screen responsive in every touch with the 3D touch. So this GoPro Hero comes with their already protective paper. So I'm just going to remove that. You want to wipe it off. Use this, since I don't need to wipe it off because I just took off this little protective paper. I'm just going to peel this off. Make sure there's no little dust bunnies on it. Just tap it like this, removing any little dust bunnies that might be on there. Just do every little spot you can. So what I'm going to do is just keep using this one, so I don't need to use the other ones. But if you guys need more, they do come with a lot more to use them. So just make sure you clean up all the bunnies. So I'm just going to put it right on here. So now I'm going to remove the little paper and apply this to the screen itself. These are very thin and lightweight. They're easy to put on. You just put it on there just like that. Once you put it on, it will remove all the bubbles. You can see that it's removing the bubbles. And it's as easy and simple as that. So now I gotta make my way to the screens on the front side. They are super high definitions with 99.99% transparency of the GoPro Hero. The screens are protected, which allows for optimal experiences. I did use this GoPro Hero with these protective glass underwater with a case and even without a case. Even though it is underwater, I didn't see any water seeping into the screen themselves. So now we're going to go ahead and make our way to the front. We're going to do the lens first, and then we'll make it our way to the other. So we'll just use our dust bunny thing right here. Again, doesn't need to be wiped with the wipes because I just took the little protective case on there. So it's already clean. Just making sure that I get all of it out. I'll just stick that back on there. peel back the little plastic. Again, you just set it right there and the bubbles will disappear on its own. Make sure it's getting from edge to edge. And I just took one of these little things that it came in the package and just push it down to make sure it stays down. Just rub it in there. So I noticed the other display was a little bit trickier because you have the lens on the side, so it was hard to get your fingers all up in there. So now we're going to do this one. The trick to this one is I recommend using your fingers from the top. It is a little bit tricky because, like I said, you have the lens here on the side, and it is a bit tricky trying to get around the curves of the lens. You just got to make your way working around it. If you move it from the side versus just dropping it on there, you'll have some issue of placing it. So with this package, you get 3 tempered glass lens protections, 3 small display HD protective films, you get 3 cleaning papers, 3 cleaning cloths, 3 dust removers, stickers. You get an installation instructions, shows you how to do it. So this one right here, you just gotta make sure you get it right into the edges. It took me a couple tries, but I ended up getting it in the end. So if you're interested in a glass protector that is 9 grade hardness of scratch resistant, I would say go ahead and check these ones out. You get all the little extra little features, the dust bunny removal, your instructions, you get the wipes, you get 3, well actually the back ones you get 3 of them, and the 2 fronts you get 2 apiece, so you have extra in case you have another GoPro, or if these ones crack for some reason, you do have extras to put on there. I would highly recommend, if you're looking for a glass protector for your GoPro Hero 9 or 10, I would say go ahead and check these ones out.